Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Hunter from Shanghai Food Company. Today I want to introduce you a cooking system. Let's have a look first. And please follow my step. Here it's a elevator for transferring some materials like white granulated sugar to the buffer tank. Let's take a look at its internal structure. This filter can prevent large pieces of raw materials from entering the elevator and prevent the materials from being too large to be lifted. There is a motor inside to control the rotation of the internal structure of the lifting pipe. After closing it, you can see that there is a small transparent window here, which is also convenient for cookers to check the operation of the machine. Which is also convenient to open and close this lid. And you can see at the bottom of the elevator have 4 wheels. It's convenient for our customers to move the elevator. And look here, these pipes are used to transport the syrup liquid at the front end, and they will also be transported to the buffer tank above. And here it's 3 small tanks for storage the small materials, and those 2 have heating tube to heating the materials. And you can see the inside of the tank. This is for stir the materials. And you can see even for this small tank, we also use WEG motor to ensure the machine quality and the product quality of our customers. And behind the tanks here, 3 dosing pumps for measuring small materials, which are accurately measured and then entering the weighing tank above. And you can see above is a 200 buffer tank with a metal weighing sensor. After weighing, the syrup enters the cooker below. With high-speed shearing, this cooker is steam heated according to customer needs. There is a storage tank. And here is a control cabinet, which can control the cooking process like the temperature or the heating time of the syrup. And you can check the inner part of the control cabinet. Here, this tank. Here is an insulated water tank with an electric heating tube, which is used to insulate the pipes. This is a batch vacuum cooker with a vacuum system. After the raw materials in one cooker are cooked, the cookers are separate down, up and down, and the other cooker is turned to the bottom, merged, and then vacuumed. And let me show you the process. You can check like this. That's how it works. Customers can continue to use the previously cooked raw materials for the next stage of production. The two cookers used alternately to increase production capacity. And here is a vacuum device. To reduce the air and bubbles in the syrup. And my introduction of this cooking system is finished. If you are interested, please contact me. See you, bye.